Hi guys, in this video we're doing a nice look. We're totally going monochromatic, grungy, bad bee type of look. Yeah, I have no other words but to say let's start. So we're going to go ahead and put on some foundation. Start off at the center of your face and use a kabuki brush or a makeup sponge and buff that in from the center towards the outer perimeter of your face. Don't forget your neck as well. Now go in with some eyebrows. You're going to need to draw some short, small hair-like strokes. I'm not going for the Instagram eyebrows here. I'm going for natural, looks like my own eyebrows, but better. So add in as much as you need and then use a spoolie to really comb it out and make it look even more natural. Now go in with eyeshadow base. Now here, less is more guys. Don't go overboard here. And use your fingertips to really tap in the product. Whatever's left on your fingertips, use that on the bottom lash line as well. By doing this, it's going to give you some longevity, not only eyelids, but the bottom lash line. Now what I'm using is a cream eyeshadow stick. This one's by Nudestix. I'm using more of a brown neutral shade. You can use any brown you're comfortable with or that you have. And I pretty much really filled in where my eyelid space is. If you have my eye shape or if you're a beginner, then this is totally an awesome way to do it. The reason why is because when you use your fingertips to really focus that intensity on the lash line and move it up towards the crease line, it's a lot easier to control and have that kind of precision in a way without overdoing it when you first start. The thing is, it's so easy to overdo it and go overboard. This way you can really diffuse the shade and add it towards that lash line, the bottom lash line. Here I'm showing you I'm using a blending brush and I did pick up more of that shade to work this in. I wanted it to look even more grungy. If you don't want to go this grunge, you can stop where I first showed you. Go in with the dark brown shade on the lower lash line and the top lash line. When you do this, you're intensifying around your eyes, giving it a more sultry, kind of grungy, sexy look, right? I think I make sense. I don't know. You can use also an eyeliner, dark brown eyeliner to line your inner rims. Now the tip here guys, for those who have my eye shape, really make sure you focus the dark brown shade more towards the center of your pupil, so outer edge towards the center of your pupil. Try not to go too far in unless you want to kind of close off that eye shape a bit. If you take a look at my top lash line, I didn't go past the middle of my pupil. Now just go in with a flat brush like what I'm showing you and just smudging this shade in. This is going to really blend in that darker shade to the original shade we had placed. I'm showing you here just how I wing it out. Now, of course, don't tuck your eyes like this. By tucking the eyelid space like this, it can definitely age that area. So try not to do what I'm doing. It's a habit. I am trying to stop. Curl your lashes well and go in with some mascara. Here I'm using Makeup Forever. It gives me good volume and length as well. You can use any mascara that's going to give you the depth and that's going to help your lashes the way that you want it. And then of course some blush. Now guys, I am using this Flesh and Fantasy blush as a 3-in-1. Here I'm showing you that while applying blush, don't go past that 2-finger rule. So really keeping it, typically they say again, towards the outer edge or center of your pupils while you're looking straight, and then just applying this on that cheekbone space. Next step is of course the final step, putting on some lip color. I'm using the Boho Nudestix shade. This shade is perfect. It gives you enough of that grunge brown without being too like too brown, like yellow brown, if that makes sense. So this is a great way to give it color and still give it that very cool vibe. Of course, line your lips and fill it in. This shade is very matte. It is your choice if you want to go matte or not. I kept this whole look really matte because I think it gives it that cool grungy look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, some awkward posing. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. It's been so much fun creating this video for you. I hope this was enjoyable and you learn a few things or two. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this makeup look out, or if you have a go-to makeup look right now. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Take care.